Hello everyone, welcome to my video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the software version 2.0 I'm currently working on. This software version is a major update of the current version. So I restructured the user's interface. So I put more stuff in the right hand side of this panel. And I add a lot of color in the marker options, so I'm going to show you later. One major change I did is I replaced the old drawing tool, which is based on Tinker, to the library called matplotlib. Matplotlib is a Python library based on NumPy and SciPy, and the nice thing about it is it's very simple to use. It just the syntax is very close to MATLAB. And with this new library, it allowed me to do a better control on the curves and markers, and the display is also more beautiful, more colorful. But there's one shortcoming with this library is that it's slower in display, so I have to change the way it display accordingly. So I'm going to show you later. So let's start with the full scan of a tube. Okay, so today we are going to test a Telefunken EO156, and we're going to do a full scan. So okay, turn on the power. So the first thing I want to show you is the ability to control the color of the curve and the marker, the shape of the markers. So I actually got the pretty many complaints about the marker in the previous version, the version 1.x. People didn't like the hollow circle. So here you're allowed to change the marker. Okay. So first thing first, on the voltage compensation. If you remember in another video, I made a quick change for the software 1.x, and I displayed the compensated heater voltage here. So here you can switch between the reading on the if you still remember the model on the across the terminal of the battery, or you can check this checkbox and you will display the estimated voltage. So you can have more information about the system. Okay, so the heater is heat up. So now we are ready to scan. Okay, so as you can see, instead of drawing point by point, now I update the curve per voltage point. This is because I have to erase all curves and draw the new curves because of the matplotlib. But I think it's a compromise we can accept. Okay, so here we can change the color on the fly. So let's say we want to change the color on the left curve to purple. Then we want to change the I don't know, the screen current to a blue, and we can change the grid to solid or to dash dot or the dashed, and we can change the color of the Pmax, the power max line, and we can show the marker. We can mark the data point, and we can use the this is close to the one we used in software revision 1.x, and we can selected marker for the curve on the left on the right hand side as well. Okay, so if you don't like the color, you can reset the color scheme to the original, and you can select to display or not display the curve on the left axis or on the right axis. Okay, so that's pretty much about the graphics ability I add to this revision. One cool thing about this revision is it has the ability to download the previously measured data. So let me clear all the graphs, and we can load the measurement data from a previous tracing. For example, I'm going to download this guy. Okay, so you will download all the major data and plot the curves. So it will look just like the curves you just scanned before. Okay, so here you can see the when you move the mouse to the on the plot, you can see the voltage point and the current for the that point. And I'm working on a feature that when you move your cursor on the plot, it will calculate the parameters like the RP, mu, and GA on the fly. But I'm still working on it. But here you can see the voltage and the current by moving your mouse cursor on the plot. The data format is different from the version 1.x for the measurement data. I changed that because the measurement data for the previous for software version 1.x is not very complete. So in order to do a further analysis and matching, I decided to change the data format. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Okay, that's pretty much about it, and I'm going to upload this software. It's not a release yet. It's just for users who want to try the new interface, and it works, but the function is not complete yet. Alright, that's about it. Thanks for watching my video. I wish you have a good weekend. See you next time. Bye.